Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today in the law of attraction, the final phase I am going to teach you. I think a small recap I will tell you that law of attraction is the very greatest law in the universe to attract and manifest things. In this you have to eliminate your negative feelings and have positive feelings that you can manifest things. And second thing, you have to clear your space, your mind, body and soul, and protect your aura during this session. This has to be done every day. And third thing I have taught you is that you have to be in the state that you have achieved it. Now the final stage, how actually you will be doing the law of attraction process. For this you need a quiet place where you can sit and do the law of attraction manifestation. Take a paper and write whatever you want to manifest. Don't overdo, like jumbling too many problems in one go. Take one by one which you feel the most important one. Take that problem which you want to solve, or take that topic which you want to manifest, either of it, and sit in a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate on yourself and the manifestation process, and sit and write what actually you need. Write it in the positive and affirmative sense, that tense, that I have achieved so and so on this day. You write it clearly without any negative points. Don't say that I am not having this, or I want this, or not in that way. Just you write that I have achieved this and I am very happy about it and I thank the universe for it. So you will be writing that and put your signature there, and when you finish off and keep the pen aside, at that second, at that moment, think that you have achieved it. That's it. If you are going to be in that state of happiness, even initially for even 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Slowly you will gather that feeling and you can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. However your capacity allows it to you. This is the process which many people have got it, and this is the easiest way of manifesting things. They do this for 45 days to 90 days according to your problem. This is the way of manifesting, guys, that I have taught you. So now I want to tell you, some people are as such that they don't have the inner capacity for manifesting things through law of attraction. For them, I am going, from next week I am going to teach how to manifest through vision board. That is also equally very powerful thing, but for that you don't need the inner capacity or you to meditate and all. For some people who find it difficult, for them that will be very good. Or if you want to do both simultaneously, that also you can do to manifold the power of the law of attraction. So quickly we will go into the readings. Let's check the energies for Aries this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe it. I am going to take 3 cards today for health, wealth and happiness. For health I am taking Ace of Swords. For career and finances, 2 of Wands. And for relationship, the card the Lovers, Great. And this week I am going to take affirmative cards for you. Affirmative card says how you can manifest things and how you can prepare yourself. This week you are getting I am in harmony with nature, and I am going to take a Strictomancy page also. In health context, Ace of Swords, you have got Ace of Swords getting in the health context is very good. This card says that there are some issues in your health which needs attention. Some of you may be given the suggestion from your health care provider to go for a strict diet or change in your lifestyle modification that is very necessary, or some of you may be needing some surgery at this point of time, that is also not ruled out. But whatever be the case, you will win over your health issues and you can make your health perfectly well again, and you can bounce back to health. That what this card says, 80% positivity. In some cases we can give 90 plus also, the least being the 80. So we will go to the career and finances. You have got 2 of wands. 2 of wands is such a card that it says that in spite of all having everything with you, you are not satisfied. You want to achieve something more, something in your heart or in your workplace or in your career or in your job. There is some dissatisfaction which makes you not satisfied. You want to do more, but you are not able to do more because of some limitations or some restrictions laid by government or your higher authorities or your own capacity or your own terms of thinking and all pulls you back. That's what this card says. You have to overcome it. You have to put your mind over your heart and apply your new creative ideas to achieve. Don't go for procrastination. You can achieve it. So that's what this card says. We can give 50% positivity. And in relationship, you have got the Lovers card. This is a very great card to get in the This is a very great card to get in the relationship context. This says that love is in the air. You will get the much awaited love which you were waiting for many time from last so many months or weeks or years, whatever it may be. That love will come to you. It will make you feel very happy, and you may be feeling cloud 9 at this time. That sort of love is coming in your life, which you that unconditional love which you put but you couldn't reciprocate it or reciprocate from other. That love you will get it in your life. That what this card says. For singles, chances of getting married is also someone special coming in your life is also not ruled out. 90% positivity. In the affirmation card, I am in harmony with nature. This card says that you are in harmony with the life, with the universe, so that all the best thing for the highest good, what all was initiated by the universe, you are now able to acquire it. You are in synchronicity with the universe. You are with harmony with the universe to accept all good from the universe. So this is the best time in your life. That's what this card says. Now let's see what the Stichtomancy has to say. Stichtomancy says, for imagination is more important than knowledge. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Means sometimes around you the situation may be as such that you don't feel that anything good happening in your life. At that time you imagine good things to come in your life that will attract good things. That's what the law of attraction also says. So from now onwards, guys, don't brood upon what is going to happen, or don't feel hopeless. Think the good things are coming in your life so that you can attract good things in your life. So now this week love is in the air for you guys. Open both your hands to accept it from the universe. Be happy, guys.